Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2020 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E450 4MATIC. So it comes in a red exterior. Got a really neat, really sharp beige interior. Really sharp. Really like this one. Got a really unique wood grain accent trim. You can see here, complements the leather and the beige really nicely. So we've got power memory seats, heated and ventilated seats. We've got the premium Burmester sound system, upgraded speaker system here. Let's see, steering wheel. Show a little bit of our center console. This is obviously a convertible, so we'll show you how that works here in just a sec. You can see your rear seats back here. It's honestly a pretty decent amount of room for passengers for a convertible. I'll go ahead and hop in. Now, mileage on this vehicle currently at 52,710. We have a push button ignition. And here we have our display. Currently loading up here and showing navigation, backup camera, and radio. Below your display, we've got climate controls here. You got buttons to access some of the different functions on your display, vehicle settings, telephone, all kinds of good stuff. Opening up that there, we've got USB connections, cup holders, a little fragrance here, courtesy of Mercedes-Benz. We've got our touchpad here for controlling the display, as well as a dial for controlling the display. And then your dynamic select switch here will switch between the different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle handles for you. And then there is our shifter. Okay, and one more thing unique to this vehicle is your convertible top controls right here. So pressing and holding that there is how you would go about opening the top, and then pressing and holding it here this other way is how you'd go about closing it. So just press and hold and it will do all the work for you here. Nice. Perfect. Okay. So go ahead and hop you out, show you a couple more things here, and then if you're interested in learning more about this vehicle at all, always reach out to us on our website. We'd love to walk you through any of the other features, or even set up a test drive. So you can see once you flip the seat up, it'll automatically scoot forward, so you can easily get to the rear seats here. And then just fold it back and it'll automatically reset to your memory seat setting, however you have it set and programmed here. Alright, coming around to the rear, we've got our E450 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. We've got our trunk space here. And then you can flip the switch here, and then actually will lower this rear seat. You do the same for the other side there, and then you've got a little extra storage if needed. So go ahead and close that. And this is the 2020 Mercedes-Benz E450 4MATIC convertible in red. Really sharp vehicle. It'll be here at Feldmann Imports whenever you're ready to reach out and set up a test drive or ask about any of the additional features. You can just reach us at feldmannimports.com.